I'm here to help you change your money making skill. I don't want any broke ass people watching my video. Come on, we gotta make money together. I saw stars during that project period because what happened was that my laptop crashed. My laptop just suddenly went off in my final year project. That time we had this big laptop that looked like all these big laptop that before you carry them, your arms are going to feel hot. Hi, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's making money online video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make money online with Google Doc. I'm even into this rave of, will I say it's a rave or this, I don't know how to put it. I've made video on how to make money on WhatsApp, how to make money with Canva, how to make money with InShot. So if you've not seen those videos, ensure you watch them because I think we've commonized a lot of our apps that we're using that help us in our daily life. And we don't know that these apps, since they are helping you, they can also help you make money online in any dimension that you want. So if you don't know how to, I'm gonna be making you see things, and this will be like a wake-up call. So let's get this video started. Number one, Google Doc. I don't know what you've been using Google Doc for, but the first thing I've been using Google Doc for is for what? Cover letter writing and resume writing. Absolutely. All my resumes since I started, I don't want to say since I started primary school, since I started university, in fact, since I knew about the knowledge of Google Doc, editing my CVs in different formats, for different positions, I've only used Google Doc to change everything. And one beautiful thing about Google Doc is that the flexibility, the freedom, it just makes life easier because you know that what you're documenting or what you're typing on your phone, if your email is also on your laptop, you can also see it. If your email is also in any other platform, any other phone or any other gadget, you also have access to it. So why the stress? Additionally, how you can make money from cover letter and resume writings. If you are good at this, come on, you can offer resume and cover letter writing skills, writing services, sorry. People make, in fact, people charge as much as, I'm going to paint the figure here, people charge money for this. So if you know you are good at it, you are gifted with writing, you know how to twerk word, how to use the keywords that recruiters need, why not offer this service, resume service? In fact, it's very affordable to start. Just what do you need? Only Google Doc and the client and social media to put yourself out there. So why have you not been making money online? Ask yourself again. Another thing you can use Google Doc for is, I have them written here so that this video is straight and on the point, is for freelance writing. If you're a writer, you know, is writing, it's not a video platform, right? It's just for writing. So if you're a writer, you're good at writing, maybe you have Fiverr account, Upwork account, and you need to write. Google Doc is a beautiful platform for you to just, you can, in fact, you can't exhaust it. You can't exhaust the number of pages or the number of new documents you can open for any writing activity you are doing. So if you offer writing services, why not? That's a platform for you. And another good thing I love about Google Doc is once you're done writing, you can convert to PDF, you can convert to Word, you can convert to any how would I put it? Is it any document you want just on Google Docs? So ensure you go for that. Number next is editing and proofreading. Yes, I love, for those of you that offer editing and proofreading services, a good way to see how the document looks like when it's on a system on a larger screen is when you put them on like a document format, right? A doc, kind of Google Doc. So you can go there, you can just copy from any other, probably you've seen things on Google or any other platform where you've copied, you can copy and paste and totally edit and proofread the entire document. I remember when I was writing my school project, I used Google Doc. Yes, my final year school project. There we had to do research. And that's another thing. You can also use Google Doc for research services. So I think I'm going to link that. So for research service, my topic was on microbial analysis of fresh water from, if I remember, I'm going to put it here. So what I did, we had to read a lot of articles online. Hey, a lot of articles. Go to this page, read. Go to this scientific forum, read. Go to this. The only thing will just copy. And then sure, we have to reference. So if you are using Google Doc and you don't know how to reference where you got all these things, you have to learn all this. So I just copy, paste, copy the reference, paste, copy, paste reference chapter. In fact, chapter 1, I just copied everything, paste, copied from different. In fact, each page is from different articles that have been read. Chapter 2, the same thing. Then I had to sit down. Hey, God, I saw stars during that project period because what happened was that my laptop crashed. My laptop just suddenly went off in my final year project. It was really a very bad time for me. The laptop went off, nothing happened, it didn't fall, nothing. So I had to start borrowing laptop. At that time we had this big laptop that looked like all these big laptop that before you carry them, your arms are going to feel hot. I had to start borrowing. And a lot of people were all in their final years, they were trying to do one or two things, but I just had to keep on begging. But thank God I had it on Google Doc. So I just log in my email into the next person's laptop and I was able to edit. Thank God for Google Doc. It really saved my life. Else, how would I have started from chapter 1 to chapter 5 from the beginning? Number next, you can use it to create ebooks. Any ebook you want to, in fact, it's any ebook you want to create, maybe recipe guide, you can use it to create the ebook. That's the writing template first. Just create the writing, the body, the title, and the like. Before you transfer it to maybe you want to use Canva for it, you just ensure that you've written it in Google Doc, then copy and transfer to Canva, design. After you've designed, paste it on the Canva page you want to use. Copy, paste on your Canva page. Makes life so easier. Next, you can use it for course creation. Still similar to ebook creation. Next, you can use it for what do I have here? Next, you can use it for virtual assistant services. You want to manage your clients, help your clients organize their schedule, travel plans, anything. You can use your Google Doc for that. And this leads me to one of the joy of having Google Doc is for collaborative services. I remembered when my sister was trying to write a proposal to a client, Invoice. So she was new into using Google Doc and she doesn't really know how to operate it. I just put her through some things. So she wasn't close by, she traveled. She was calling me in the middle of the night, like 2 a.m. Chioma, wake up, wake up, wake up. I said, what happened? He said, she's trying to expand the box and she doesn't know how to do it. How will she go about it? She needs to submit this proposal in the morning by 6 a.m. I said, calm down, relax, relax, relax. I'm here for you. Mama is here for you. Then I told her, don't worry. I have your email, right? No, I don't even need your email. Share me the documents and make me an editor. God, don't worry. I'm going to use my big screen to see. He said, how will I do it? I said, okay, don't worry. I took my phone, went to Google Doc, screen matched a lot of things like how to share and things like that and sent to her. Then the moment she added me as an editor, I just helped her. From the comfort of my head, I just helped her, expanded what she wanted, and she sent out the proposal. Thank God that proposal was successful and I'm grateful I was able to be of help to her. That way, she also made money now. Is that not for proposal writing, for grant and proposal writing, or for any invoice writing and things like that? So I've shared a lot with you on how to use Google Doc to make money. See, this year, I'm ready for you. If you are ready for me, I'm ready for you. I'm here to help you change your money-making skill. I don't want any broke-ass people watching my video. Come on. We gotta make money together. So, if you don't know where to start, do well to enroll for this program, the Go Virtual Assistant Academy. It's going to take you through courses, digital courses, things in that line that can help you rearrange your online game of making money. Actually, if you like to learn French for 3 months, do well to use the link in the description box to enroll for the class. Did I also mention that you can also use Google Doc to create templates and things like that?